Previously on Sailing Bohemia. We returned to Catalina after getting chased away by the notorious Santa Ana winds. And we settled into island life in Avalon, taking in the spectacular sights above and below the water. It was one of those days where we had to wake up early to get underway at sunrise. A cup of tea and a quick check of the engine, and we were on our way.
So leaving Catalina on your birthday.
Goodbye, Catalina. I'll miss it. I think we had a wonderful time here. We had a great end of summer heat wave. It was quiet. We had the whole place to ourselves most of the time. Fantastic place to spend some time. So very sorry to be leaving, but I'm quite excited about Marina del Rey as well. I've only been to LA once, so it'd be nice to see it properly. The forecast says there's going to be a tiny bit of wind from 11. I think we can make something of that, something like 8 or 9 knots from the beam. We want to get the Spinnaker up just to check that the repairs department have done their job properly and there's no more holes in the thing. So you can inspect that even if there's not much wind to sail with.
That is a true sail.
I'll be the judge of that.
Yeah, it's perfect. Telltales are flying, no flaps.
Seven out of 10. If I had to criticise, and I do have to criticise, he's made the outboard a little bit too tight. So a little bit more shape in the sail should help it go into the wind.
Captain knows everything. It's your birthday, so I'm not gonna argue.
The one day of the year.
The one day of the year I take it on the chin.
Today is going to be my day, I can tell.
So we still haven't quite woken up. So a little coffee to get us going. We have to put that on now.
That was quick. It's a good job we got that magic kettle. Best purchase.
There you go. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Imagine a better birthday treat than having the dolphins guide us into Marina del Rey. Amazing.
Happy birthday from the dolphin. So we're gonna have a moment of truth in a minute. We're gonna be trying the asymmetrical Spinnaker. If you remember in the previous episodes, we done some damage to it and I was repairing it. And this is the first time for us since then for us to deploy it. So we shall see whether actually I managed to stitch up all the holes, and most importantly, are they going to last? But yeah, it will be a moment of truth for my, what's the word I'm looking for?
Your craftsmanship.
That's it.
Are you feeling confident?
I'm feeling pretty confident, and hopefully I got all the tears. And if I didn't get one, then it's totally your fault that you didn't point it out.
I believe in you. I believe in you. Yeah. But if it doesn't cope with this 6 knots of wind,
that's true. Yes. Then we have a bigger problem.
I'm glad we've only got a small boat, otherwise it would be two of us wrestling in this thing. Here it is, the moment of truth. Okay. Yeah, biting is quite good.
Well, so it looks like my stitching skills is superior, and I think Captain's gonna eat his words.
Superior?
Superior stitching skills.
The words I would use would be up to the job.
Up to the job.
No, very good, very good. I'm impressed. No daylight coming through it anymore, which I think is how a spinnaker is supposed to be.
You know, I've never really repaired sail before. It wasn't terrible, I mean, it took about 6 hours, but it's really good to know that I can now fix our sails if there is an issue with it, there's a tear. It's really comforting to know that I've got the right material. I've got the sewing machine, I've got the Dacron patches, I've got the correct thread, and so on. So I'm quite pleased actually with myself that it all worked out. I mean, it would be terrible if we just put it up and suddenly and you got another rip there. So yeah, really, really good news.
And we're getting to fly our favourite sail again, all the way to Marina del Rey, making the most of 8 knots of wind.
Fantastic.
And going 5.5, so it's beautiful.
So 8 knots of wind and we're going 5.5 knots. That's, yeah, I'll take that. Thank you very much. Okay, so what's that big boat over there? Is that a tanker? Are we gonna hit it or what's going on? This is my next boat, the one after this. And straighten it up.
We had heard there was fierce competition for marina space in LA, but nobody warned us quite who we'd be competing with. We can only assume that mating season was approaching, with some of the attention Peter got on the docks.
I packed my bags, now I'm off to LA. Without a warning, I'm just California. I just touched down, now I'm here and I'm late. Tell me, am I dreaming? Postcard California.
They say bad luck comes in threes. Join us next time when we are hit by an unexpected storm, have our autopilot fail on us, and get some debris wrapped around the propeller on our way to San Diego. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to give the video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. You could also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Look for Sailing Bohemia.